The sprint review is one of the 5 Scrum events. It is held at the end of each sprint, before the sprint retrospective, to inspect the increment, progress towards the product goal, and adapt the product backlog. The sprint review is time-boxed to 4 hours. For shorter sprints, it is common to shorten this time box proportionally. At the sprint review, the Scrum team and stakeholders review what was accomplished in the sprint and what has changed in the environment. They collaborate to discover and decide on the next things that could be worked on to optimize value. The sprint review allows a transparent forum where stakeholders and the Scrum team can discuss progress and replan based on new priorities. This is not the only time this can happen, but there are advantages in doing it openly and transparently with everyone interested in the product present and able to contribute. The sprint review is a working session, and the Scrum team should avoid limiting it to a presentation. A hands-on workshop-style inspection to allow stakeholders to use the increment may require more facilitation, but may result in more significant learning and insights. Other approaches are also possible. As a result of the sprint review, the product backlog may be adapted to reflect new insights. In practice, the actual detailed changes to the product backlog may be made after the sprint review to allow sufficient time for the changes. If significant adaptations have resulted, refinement will likely be necessary on these product backlog items to prepare them for a future sprint. Work that has not met the definition of done is not shown in the sprint review to maintain transparency. This work is returned to the product backlog.